I'm shocked to see the video of a person by the name of Gautam Khattar speaking against St Francis Xavier in the presence of dignitaries, including Minister Morvin Gudino, on 18th of April 2026 at Tilak Maidan in Vasco. And this man seems to be totally least bothered about the insults to our Goinso Sahib. The attack on St Francis Xavier is an attack on every true Goan. I am sure, given the functionaries present on the stage and may have been present in the audience, police officials also must have been present. The Vasco police should suo motu register offence for communal disharmony and for creating this kind of a situation with these insults to the religion, to St Francis Xavier, and for hurting our religious sentiments, and arrest this man who has come to create a communal divide in Goa. St Francis Xavier is revered by all Goans, non-Goans, people from other parts of India and from all over the world, and not just Catholics but also non-Catholics, and this is how we have lived for centuries in Goa, respecting each other and each other's religions, faiths and beliefs. We cannot tolerate such an insult to our St Francis Xavier and our faith. I request everyone to be vigilant. The elections are coming soon. These communal elements will break or a cross or a gumti or even defile a temple or a religious structure to create communal tension with an attempt to polarize votes. This can happen with the active connivance of some persons within the government. I view this as a design of some political parties who wish to grab power by dividing people on religious or communal lines. I appeal to all Goans not to fall prey to this kind of communal elements who want to destroy Goa and Goans. I demand that the Vasco PI should register the FIR against this individual and arrest him immediately.